everyone, Chelsea Marie here with marketingwithchelseamarie.com, and I want to go over some new features that Facebook has launched as well as what is coming. Facebook just launched a clear your history option, and they've launched this so far in Ireland and South Korea. They're kind of seeing how it's going to be doing, and then they'll branch out from there. So this option allows users to clear their newsfeed history as well as be able to clear their history of any websites, apps that they are using outside of Facebook. So there's been some questions of how this is going to be affecting Facebook ad users. They're saying it will affect it slightly. However, it also comes down to how many users are going to be actually using this clear off Facebook history button. So it's still kind of in the testing phase, but they have officially now launched it, and they are looking to launch it worldwide. Then if you've been posting content on your newsfeed, you may have seen this. They now added a preview button. So you can go ahead, create your post that you're about to do, and you can click preview to see a preview of what it's going to look like for the users. So that option is now available to be able to preview your post before it goes live. Then if you have a Facebook group, they have made some changes to it. So before, it used to be known as a Facebook group was normally called secret, closed, or public. They've now just went ahead and simplified it where it's either public or private. So if before the Facebook group was known as secret, it is now just titled private, and it is a hidden Facebook group. A group that was formerly known as closed will now just be called private, and it will be visible. Then groups that were public will remain as public and visible. So those are some new things with a Facebook group. If you are in a Facebook group or have your own Facebook group, this is a new feature they went ahead and implemented. And if you're wondering where these controls are, this is going to be in your group settings section. Then if you're creating content for your Facebook fan page and you're kind of wondering what type of content's doing best with all these algorithm changes, photos, videos, ads, etc. Well, they went ahead and did an announcement of how the algorithm is working. So inventory, they are keeping track of set stories that you're watching, what you're sharing, and then also your connections and what they are watching and sharing, as well as liking, how long you're on an ad copy, how long you're on a post, and any interaction that you're doing with it. They also take into consideration who posted the story or post, the users that are viewing it, the type of environment, the target audience of users that are viewing it, the local time, and also the speed. So the algorithms try to evaluate all of this information. They're trying to predict the type of content you're seeing on your newsfeed, as well as how likely you're going to be engaging with those posts. And Facebook is scoring this. So they consolidate all of this information, and they go ahead and see different posts, how they rank against each other, and that is how they determine what appears in your news feed. So that is how the algorithms are working. And when you're creating content, here are some things just to keep in mind is understanding your audience, really dig into your analytics of your audience, what type of content that they're wanting, what type of content they're interacting with. Make sure to post some interesting, valuable content, and then make your posts timely, so stay consistent on posting. As well as be sure to follow the Facebook guidelines to help, and then post accurate, authentic content. We found that authentic content as well with the Facebook ads does much better. Don't post any clickbait, don't post engagement bait or low quality links. Having authentic content out there will build credibility, and people will be able to relate to you or your message that you're trying to get across for your brand. So those are some tips of the Facebook algorithm, what they are doing to track data, as well as new features that are coming out on Facebook and what has already been implemented. Be sure to follow and check out more at marketingwithchelseamarie.com.